1 week ago, I saw a trend on social media that was absolutely amazing to me. Normally I wouldn't care about trends, and probably you don't either, but this one had to do with electric scooters, which I'm all about if you know my channel. The trend is simple. Everybody meets up downtown, rents out a Lime scooter, and goes on a group ride together. And what was amazing was how huge it got super quick. It started in Minneapolis, where there was several hundred people 2 nights in a row, and then the third night it started being copycatted all over the country in other major cities. So when I found out one was happening in Omaha, just 4 hours away from me, of course I had to go check it out. So I took Jordan, we packed up 2 scooters, and we headed to Omaha. Without any further ado, let me show you what happened. It was the most chaotic and insane group ride I've ever been a part of. We made it. Here it is, the great Lime Takeover of Omaha.
Bro, I know, they all stopped working. They shut the shit down.
Bro, even yours stopped working?
Yeah, all of Omaha shut down.
No way, they shut down the Limes on us? They really shut them down. Damn. Luckily, it looks like most people brought their own ride.
Right. No, Jordan! Oh, Jordan is here.
What if this was all a trap?
Are you YouTubers?
Yeah, what's up?
You were not same with me.
Yeah, nice, dude.
What's your channel?
Scooter Gang.
Really? How many subscribers you got?
320.
Enough.
Yeah. Well, how many you got?
Million on TikTok?
Not much right now.
Yeah.
Trying to build up my channel. It's kind of hard.
Shout yourself out.
Yeah, good. Dravo Builds on TikTok.
Dravo Builds. Got you. I'm not super familiar with bikes. Is this a Yasma?
Yeah.
Nice. Good to meet you. Good luck. Good luck on the YouTube journey.
How fast does scooter go?
About 75.
75?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Gspace.
Gspace?
Yeah.
How many kilowatts?
There's like 50 cups.
About 19.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's fast. Ooh, there's like a bunch of cops coming. Oh shit, baby, get your helmet on. Things about to go down. They're coming back though. Holy shit, look at them. They're coming back. They circled back. It's time to go. Jordan, you ready?
I'm out.
You're good. Take a breath.
I'm good.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Get your camera on. You're good. You're rolling. Let's go. Let's catch up. You guys are hiding from the cops. The cops busted the ride before it even started. That's craziness, huh? I think they're just getting us kicked out of here. Mainly, looks like. On your right, brother. What's this guy doing? This guy's coming with his motorcycle. You good, baby? Yeah. Focus up. What? Focus up. It's gonna be a crazy one. I know, right? He even has his plate on. Little regroup here because of the cops, and then I think we're gonna head out somewhere else. That's got to be a record, the fastest the cops have ever came to break up a ride before it even started. Jordan's feeling alive. Woo! The cops are just chasing us around. Oh, there's another one chasing us right here. Get the lineup going. As far back as you can see, the lineup. Oh, there's a fall. Oh, sorry. Sorry, bro. I don't know what the cops really are doing besides making a presence. We'll catch back up here nice and slow. There's not even any reason to go fast out here with all this drama going on. Thank you for waiting. I'm gonna watch the back of the group right now while this drama's going on. There's the cops there. Hold up, hold up. Y'all good?
I got my phone.
Oh, got you. Yeah, let's go. Woo! This is the most chaotic group ride I've ever been a part of, and I love it. I love it. There's Juice. Juice, yo. Woo! Is this a police escort or are they trying to get us all? Go! On your left. Whoever's slowest gets arrested. Just don't be slow. There he is. Guys doing good? Just take a breath. They're not.
I just want to go on a ride. I don't like group rides because this always happens.
Go for it. I'm gonna take the street. We gotta catch back up to the group here. I see some down there. The cops are already on them. On them heavy. I gotta get up to Jordan regardless of what's going on right here. Oh no, they got a kid. What the heck?
Riley, no!
What happened?
That's my homie. They just boxed him in for no reason. He's just driving.
They boxed him in. There's another one right there even. Hey.
Hey, they started pulling people over individually, so one of us might get caught up.
Just don't be the last. We gotta go catch up with them. Oh no, we're in the front again, look! We're in the front!
Yeah, we got a cop right next to us, by the way, like 10 feet. Right, that's the whole point of being this deep. We get back in the pack, boys?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's right, Jordan ain't scared. He's going for somebody. I'm not breaking the law as far as I'm concerned. I'm just riding the bike lane, enjoying my day. I gotta speed up. These guys are too slow on these pedals. Gosh, I feel like at this point they're just escorting us to make sure that nothing crazy happens. Look out, baby. Get behind them. Put your blinker on. Blinker. We gotta catch up. This is hard to catch up with people. How are they so fast? Bro, it's like they're changing every light, making it harder for us to catch up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Finally caught back up to the group. What a bumpy road. This scooter just handles it flawlessly. Woo! This is a crazy group ride. I've never been part of a group ride like this. Mega ride where there's just cops after cops after cops. We lost the cops. They're gone. Yes. Yes. If you don't give in to the fear and you just keep going, they can't stop you. Looks like we're taking a ride up here, baby. You good? Cool. That was tough. We were getting separated the whole time. Good thing this ain't our first group ride, huh? Woo woo! Boys be crazy. Boys be crazy. Back to where we started, the Chai Health Center. I think this is where it began. It is. Of glorious victory! We have escaped the police. Go! Let's go! Woo! Ooh, that's a cool pipe this guy's got on his bike. Woo! Be careful, you're going the fastest. Now that was crazy, bro. Let's go. Woo woo! We made it to the front finally after the whole ride. We finally made it to the leaders, the badass, fearless leaders who took us away from the police. It's like in GTA when you gotta cool off after there's too many stars. You gotta hide out for a minute here. Woo!
That was real life GTA 6. Good job, you got us down to no stars.
Yeah, yo, gotta pound it for all you guys. You fucking made it. Good shit.
Bro, it's a no panic zone.
Good shit. Not a lot of people survived that one.
The boys on the scooters and shit, what?
Good shit. Good shit. Y'all are crazy, man. Another great group ride out in Omaha. Let's go. Woo! Jordan survived getting chased by the police. Me too. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Scooter Gang out. Ooh, food truck with tacos? We might have to come back here after we get the car.
Hey, Brian,
Yes.
you want to line up real quick?
Yeah, we gotta find somewhere.
Just right here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay. Let me get in top gear. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. I think we're right on point, man. Plus, I got some weight on your
I
ass.
didn't hit fuel weakening yet. This thing, there's a turbo mode on this thing that kicks in. I would have pulled harder.